We're now going to send our new students a welcome message. You will require to have your private discussion forums set up before sending a message to all the students. I'll put a link below to the video for setting up private discussion forums. Once those forums are set up, we're ready to send our students a welcome message. We're going to start by clicking on Discussions on the course menu bar. Now there'll be different forums set up, but what we're looking for is the private discussions forum, where all of our student names are listed underneath. And instead of sending each individual student a message, we can actually click on one student name, compose our message, and send it into the forum of each student. Just one note up front, once you post this message, it will go to every forum, and you will have to go into each forum to edit the message if you made a mistake or to delete the message. So we just want to make sure that we have a structured message ready to go and that it's accurate so we don't have to go in and make any edits. So to get started, I'm going to click on my first student name. It's going to open up the forum, and I'm going to start a new thread. We'll give this a subject title. Now, instead of typing just the individual student name, there actually is a built-in placeholder in Brightspace that you can use that will automatically enter each individual student's first name. And it looks like this. That placeholder is going to insert every individual student's name. When you go back to look at the message, it's actually going to say your name, and this can throw teachers off sometimes. Don't worry, that's normal. If it says your name, that means the thread actually worked. You will then type in your message. You can check with your lead teacher or any learning leaders at CBE Learn if you require any help coming up with an initial message. We usually have some standard messaging that we send to students just to get started. Once we're happy with our message, we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to go add topics. This is where we're going to add the rest of the students to this message. So you can actually see my private discussions forum here, and you can click individually on the student names that you'd like to include. Or you could click the private discussions and it's going to default select everyone. So whatever technique you prefer. Throughout the year, you might have messages, maybe students are missing assignments, where you're going to want to select individual students to send the same message to, and that's how you would do it. Once I'm satisfied, all my students are selected, I'm going to click Insert. And you can see all the topics that this message will now go to below. I'm satisfied with that, and I'm going to click Post. Now, if I click back on my discussions on the navigation bar, I scroll down, I can now see that I just posted to each one of these student discussion forums.